What is going on, guys? Welcome to next week's gold forecast. Before we dive in, if you could please like the video and subscribe to the channel, I would appreciate that a lot. So we're currently on gold on the monthly time frame. And what is the first thing that we can see? This monthly bullish impulse leg here. And what is the first thing that we want to do? We want to mark off the previous monthly candlestick high and the previous monthly candlestick low. This gives us our monthly trading range, and it also gives us levels of support and resistance. And what can we see here? So the monthly candlestick, that is not a very straight line right there. Let me just try straighten that up. So the current monthly candlestick has broken above the previous monthly candlestick high. So we've broken out of the previous monthly trading range. And if you remember last week, this was the target, which was taken out, which we was expecting, because if we break above this level, we're then going to aim for the next level. We've taken out liquidity and our price is pushed down. But while we are still above that previous monthly high, what we're going to be expecting, I'm going to be expecting it to be used as support for continuations up. And obviously, if we break back below it, we'll be expecting, a sell-off somewhere, into this range here, but we can cross that bridge when we come to it. All I'm looking at now is this previous monthly candlestick high, resistance to turn into support, and then give us continuations up. So if we jump down onto the weekly time frame, what can we see? Again, impulse, retracement, continuation, boom. So we're bullish on the weekly time frame, and what we're expecting, continuations. However, if we look at what's going on right now, what can we see? Price took liquidity off the all-time high, and then we've closed a bearish candle all the way down here with a small wick on the bottom. So what does that indicate on a weekly candle? Market open, we have got a high probability of price nipping down, taking that liquidity, reversing, and then giving us that continuation up through that range. So that's two confluences on the higher time frame now. We've got the monthly candlestick currently above the previous monthly candlestick high, so we're expecting it to be used as resistance. And then we've got the weekly candle here. Well, the weekly candle look is also closed above, so that's the continuation candle as well on the weekly for a continuation up. And then we've also got this previous weekly candle here. Now, well, current weekly candle, but tomorrow it'll be the previous weekly candle with a small wick on the bottom. And what is something that's super high probable to happen at the beginning of the week? The new weekly candle to nip down, fake the lows on the lower time frame, take liquidity, reverse, boom, up. That is what I'm going to be expecting. But if that doesn't happen, the price, closes down in here on the 4-hour daily time frame, then we could see a retracement to somewhere down in here, maybe towards this imbalance right there. But as I said, we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. So daily time frame, where are we? So we're bullish on the daily time frame. We've got impulse leg here, look. Made a new high. So we're expecting retracement, continuation. And again, look where price is. So we've got what? What have we got in there? We've got all the confluence here for prices to nip down beginning of the week, give us that reversal. We've got resistance, turning to support. We've got the imbalance. We've got the bullish price action for continuations. This is a super nice zone. If this zone doesn't hold, then price, look here, we just marked that on the higher time frame. We'll probably shoot for this level here. So this is the key level going into next week. And it's the same. We're expecting the same thing. Bullish price action, bearish candle. What do we want to see? Beginning of the week, price push down, price fake that level, bang, look to buy up. Look to buy up. That's it. It's the same. So if we jump down on the 4-hour, what have we got? 4-hour, the same again. Look, we've got this imbalance here that has been partially filled, but not fully filled. So if we mark up the imbalance, let's remove that. We mark up the imbalance here. There we go. Boom. So that's the first level. That's the level there. Price shoot down. Bang. Reverse. Continuations up. That is all I'm looking for there. If this level isn't respected, then, we're going to look for price to shoot somewhere down here. So this level, guys, just keep an eye on how price reacts to this level at the beginning of the week. If you see a fake out here, bang, we're going to be looking for buys over the coming days. If we see a strong candle close and a retracement here, and then this level is being respected then as resistance, then we're going to expect a push down. On the 1 hour, same as the 4 hour, look. Literally sharing the same price action. Or the same confirmations. Price action's a little bit different on the 1 hour, but yeah, that's all we're expecting, guys. Beginning of the week, this level, key level, that's it. And you know why, from the monthly, down to the 4 hour. And if you don't, go and watch it. So I just want to jump over onto the Discord quickly, guys. So if you go to blackswanfx.com, there's buttons on the website where you can join the free Discord. And these channels are all public. So you can come in here, you can see the results, and I've got videos for each product on the website. So if you're curious to how any of the products work, go check out the videos. And if you've got any questions, shoot them, to me on Instagram, BenAstroFX, or, drop them in the comments or drop them in a live chat on the website. And I've also got, guys, the Ripped and Rich community. Now, I'll leave the link in the comments below. This is a new model that I have dropped because I have made zero. I've gone zero, guys, homeless to 7 figures online in the past 6 to 7 years. And that doesn't happen by accident. I've made a lot of money, and this boils down to how you think. So if you are stuck in a cycle of, I try this, it didn't work. I try this, it didn't work. I try this, it didn't work. Go check out the video in the comments. Watch that. And if it's something you want to jump in, guys, you can jump in with the link, or you can book a call. We can jump on, and we can finally get those wheels turning for you. So thank you, guys. Have a good day. Have a good rest of your weekend, and peace. Watch.